Hey guys, it's Eric here, and this is a quick speed test between the Huawei Y9 2019 and the Y7 Prime 2019. Now these two look very identical on the back, but their notches, internals and pricing are quite different. Let's take a look at all the relevant specs for this test and start with the Bootup Test. Y9 2019 booted up first in 25 seconds, with the Y7 Prime 2019 coming in 7 seconds later. I closed all the running apps before this test. Let's begin with Twitter. Y9 2019 opened Twitter faster. Instagram. Y7 Prime opened Instagram faster. Facebook. Y7 Prime opened Facebook faster. Snapchat. Y9 2019 opened Snapchat faster. Play Store. Y9 2019 opened Play Store faster. YouTube. Y7 Prime opened YouTube faster. Geekbench. Y9 2019 opened Geekbench faster. We have significantly higher single and multi-core scores on the Y9 2019. Antutu benchmarks. Y9 2019 opened Antutu faster. The scores on the Y9 2019 are nearly double of what you get on the Y7 Prime. Skipping the games rule for now. Snapseed. Y9 2019 opened Snapseed faster. Camera. Y9 2019 opened Camera faster. Messages. Y9 2019 opened Messages faster. Settings. Y9 2019 opened Settings faster. Speed test. Y7 Prime opened Speed test faster. Tested both on the same network, and the Y9 2019 got higher upload speeds while the Y7 Prime got higher download speeds. Jumia app. Y7 Prime opened Jumia app faster. Let's go ahead and load up some games. Smash Hit. Y9 2019 opened Smash Hit faster. PUBG. Y9 2019 opened PUBG faster. Subway Surf. Y9 2019 opened Subway Surf faster. Temple Run 2. Y9 2019 opened Temple Run 2 faster. It's quite obvious that the Y9 2019 definitely outperforms the Y7 Prime 2019 any day of the week. However, don't let the benchmarks throw you off. The Emotion UI 8.2 interface runs just as smooth on both while using system apps, and I didn't experience any annoying hangs on the Y7 Prime 2019 while going heavy on social media. Something that I've noticed even on some phones with a higher Snapdragon processor. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram to see what I'm up to. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.